Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's Mama Juju, and it is bright and early on this Tuesday, January the 2nd, 2024. Okay, this is the Meg's Journal, January Junk Journal, July. And the second prompt for today, for the January 2nd, is quotes. So I have my quote. Let me get still, stop moving that around for y'all. It is what it is. It ain't what it ain't. It was, it happened. That was yesterday. Can't change the past. So move forward and let that shit go. That's the quote. Okay? That's the back forward assimilation of all them quotes mixed together. But anyway, that's a quote for this year. That's gonna be our motto. Okay, so my camera cut off. This is the end result. I thank y'all. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. And I am going to try to edit this video and fast forward where I did all this little doodling stuff. Actually, you know, for somebody who can't do too good, I think that turned out pretty good. What y'all think? Alright, y'all have a good day. If you want to watch me doodle in fast forward motion, if I can make it work, stay tuned. If not, see you on the next go round. Love you. Mwah.